भारभृत् कथितो योगी
भारभृत् कथितो योगी
योगीशः सर्वकामदः
योगीशः सर्वकामदः
आश्रमः श्रमणः क्षामः
आश्रमः श्रमणः क्षामः
सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः
सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः.
He holds the responsibility of bringing the liberated souls to his abode. He is well praised for that in the Shastras. His greatness is such that he makes the impossible objects possible to occur. He is the leader of yogis like Sanaka and Sananda. He helps such devotees who have dropped out of their yogic practices and fulfills their desires. He provides them with space in Vaishnava homes to resume their yogic practices. When they develop interest in Samadhi, he instructs Garuda to land them on the other side of the darkness of ignorance. Bharabhrit
भारभृत्
कथितः
कथितः
योगी
योगी
योगीशः
योगीशः
सर्वकामदः
सर्वकामदः
आश्रमः
आश्रमः
श्रमणः
श्रमणः
क्षामः
क्षामः
सुपर्णः
सुपर्णः
वायुवाहनः
वायुवाहनः.
ॐ भारभृते नमः
ॐ भारभृते नमः
ॐ कथिताय नमः
ॐ कथिताय नमः
ॐ योगिने नमः
ॐ योगिने नमः
ॐ योगीशाय नमः
ॐ योगीशाय नमः
ॐ सर्वकामदाय नमः
ॐ सर्वकामदाय नमः
ॐ आश्रमाय नमः
ॐ आश्रमाय नमः
ॐ श्रमणाय नमः
ॐ श्रवणाय नमः
ॐ क्षामाय नमः
ॐ क्षामाय नमः
ॐ सुपर्णाय नमः
ॐ सुपर्णाय नमः
ॐ वायुवाहनाय नमः
ॐ वायुवाहनाय नमः.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.